Okay, guys, let's talk a little bit about intake and exhaust. All vacuums have it, all extractors have it. This Mytee, there's the intake, all right? The exhaust, it has two blowers, it has two vac motors, exhaust right here, here. Intake at the front, exhaust out the back. The Mosquitoes, your intake is always here where your vacuum hose goes, and the Mosquitoes exhaust out the side. Ninja, intake is here, that's where the vacuum hose goes. On the Ninja, the exhaust port is out the bottom, one port there. Let's talk about the 8070. Obviously the intake is here, that's where your hose goes, and the exhaust is out the side. When it's running, you're going to feel air coming out here. Why? Because the vac motor is right there, and it exhausts out the side. Now, with all these machines, if you ever feel dampness or water coming out the exhaust port, that simply means that you've either got too much water, too much foam, or oftentimes both in your recovery tank. That recovery tank is your dirty tank. So if you're using a soapy chemical that foams up, you're going to fill your recovery tank, your dirty side, with not just dirty water, but foam again, or both. The Ninja, it has a float valve. If you accidentally overfill it, it's going to shut off. It's got a shut off valve. Okay? It's like the oil light of your car. If it comes on, you've already done damage, but at least it's there. The smaller machines, 3 and 4 gallon, don't have that. If the Mytee 8070, if the dirty tank, the recovery tank, if it gets too full of dirty water or foam, or like I said, both, then you're gonna have water or foam or dampness coming out the side, the exhaust port. But what's really worse is that you've now got water going through here, water or foam, moisture, whatever it is. At the bottom of that is your vacuum motor. You know what that means, right? It means that you are going to destroy your vacuum motor. You're going to have water going in here and then out there. That's your exhaust. That's your intake. If these recovery tanks get too full, or if they get too much foam in them, you got foam coming in here, foam going out there. At the end of the day, you destroyed the vac motor. If any of that happens, there's unfortunately Mytee, Mosquito, Ninja, Sandia, Clark, the list goes on. Johnny Vac, everybody is not going to warranty the vac motor.